Humans have consumed naturally occurring fats since antiquity, but in the early 1900s, companies figured out a way to press cotton seeds into an oil and then solidify it. Procter & Gamble came out with the very first food product made from this cottonseed oil called Crisco. This replaced lard, while margarine became the staple to replace butter. In 1948, Procter & Gamble helped to formalize the American Heart Association as we know it today. The AHA then went on to recommend Crisco and margarine as heart healthy. They also rejected the use of saturated fats, including butter and lard. By 1961, vegetable oil use had become mainstream. So what's the problem with consuming these polyunsaturated fats? Vegetable oils are rich in omega-6 fatty acids, and they compete against the good omega-3s found in fish. Omega-3 helps to protect against inflammation, while omega-6 tends to provoke inflammation. Another major effect of polyunsaturated vegetable oils is when they are heated and come in contact with oxygen. The oil oxidizes, basically turning it into a toxin. This especially happens when the vegetable oil is heated for long periods of time, such as in restaurant fryers. Vegetable oils can be stabilized through a process known as hydrogenation. This turns the oil into a solid form, such as margarine and shortening. The downside is that this process also creates trans fats. Toxins from heated vegetable oils can lead to the development of unstable LDL or bad cholesterol, resulting in heart problems. The toxins can also lead to damage in the digestive system, including inflammation. Since the 1960s, the rise of polyunsaturated fats from vegetable oil consumption has been perfectly in tandem with an increase of heart disease. Eating foods made with vegetable oil may help slightly reduce total cholesterol. However, it does not outweigh the problems it could cause. There are much healthier fat options to choose from.